Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you two new stitches that you can use with simple knit and purl, the rib stitch and the seed stitch. So this is what we will be knitting today. As you can see, above you have the seed stitch and below you can see the rib stitch. Importantly, both of these stitches are reversible. It means that they will look the same from both sides. So first you will need to cast on a number of stitches in your needle. If you don't know how to cast on, you can check one of my previous tutorials or happyhealthycrafty.com. Now the rib stitch is very simple. All you have to do is knit one stitch and then purl the next stitch and just repeat this all over again and do this for every row. I will do this a little bit slow at the beginning so that you can check out how to knit and how to purl if you don't remember, and later I will just speed the video up so that you can see then the results. So I knitted 3 more rounds, so I think 4 in total. And now we're gonna get started with the seed stitch. The seed stitch is very easy. However, before we start, I'm gonna give you a little tip. So if you have like a little marker like this one that I'm going to be using now, you can use this to mark the row. Why am I doing this? Because the seed stitch is basically the same than the rib stitch, but so if you knit, purl all the way around your first row, in the seed stitch, when you start your second row, you will start the other way around, so by purling your first stitch. So you will start like purl one, knit one, purl one, knit one, and so on. Therefore, by using a little marker, you can keep track of in what row you are in. So now I'm just going to continue with the first row. So as you can see, I'm knitting one stitch and then purling the next one, and I'm alternating these two stitches all the time during the whole first row. And the last one. And now we're going to move the work to the other hand, and we're going to start with our second row. And in the second row, we will be beginning by purling the first stitch and then proceed with knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl until the end. Okay, so I have knitted a few more rounds here, and now you can see more clearly the pattern that emerges. So the seed stitch looks like a little bit like these tiny stars or flowers, whereas the rib stitch that we did before is a bit this sort of like lines. For more info, you can check happyhealthycrafty.com or also check our past and future tutorials. Bye!